presentation of the Transcontinental Railroad of North America. Before the year of 1869, the only way to get across the United States of America was a 6-month journey by covered wagon or even a longer journey all the way around South America. Both the ways were expensive and dangerous. So in 1862, President Abraham Lincoln signed the Pacific Railroad Act. This law made it possible for 2 railroad companies to begin work on a track that would link the entire country from east to west. The 2 companies raced in both directions to see who could build the tracks faster. The Western California Company had a hard time building the railroad through the mountains. They used dynamite to blast tunnels straight through the rock. It was very dangerous work. The Eastern Railroad Company started in Iowa, but got attacked by Native American Indians who had never seen a train before and were scared of them. Each railroad spike takes 3 hits to get it in, like this. 1, 2, 3. After 7 years and 20 million swings, the 2 sides met in a city in Utah. They used a golden spike to join the tracks together, and the Transcontinental Railroad is finally done. Wow! The trip across the United States now only took 6 days instead of 6 months. The railroad also made moving things like food and lumber easier, so people started moving out west more and more. The Transcontinental Railroad changed the way people traveled and changed the way people thought about technology. It started an age where people invented all sorts of great things, called the Second Industrial Revolution. The Transcontinental Railroad is still here today, and my name is Beckett, and thank you for watching my presentation. Bye-bye!